me see.
What?
What do you have on?
A cheerleader.
Oh, you're so cute.
Some players are coming out and some dinosaurs right here on Disney.
Here we are, the aftermath. So you can get some idea of what we've been through. We've got snow, and then on top of that, we've got freezing rain that just has left sheets of ice. Pretty thick. I shoveled it all off last night, and it rained again and froze. Now it's all slick again. The net is frozen. Walkway's frozen. This door, you can see the ice that's frozen on there. It's actually melted some. And the door is frozen shut because of ice that's accumulated at the back of it. All the windows facing east have just been covered with ice. Here we are on this bottom part of the deck. You can see all this snow that just blew in. It's starting to melt a little bit. I'll probably get some drips on me. I don't know if you can see it, but everything is just like covered with ice. I hope I don't fall on my butt and break my leg or something here. It's starting to break up some. I don't know if you can see it, but everything is just like covered with a layer of ice. Here we are on the outside. I don't know if you can see it, but there's just a solid layer of ice on everything. This was the east side of the house and got pelted almost constantly with freezing rain. There's the door. It was frozen shut. Now we see why it was so frozen. Holy smokes, no wonder we couldn't get it open. If you just listen, you can hear the ice falling off of people's houses and off their roofs and out of the trees.